Welcome to the introductory tutorial for Stratawerks, a professional Joomla template for Joomla 3. So let's jump right in. As you can see here, we've got a really nice and clean and very simple business template. And so up here in the top left, we have our logo. In the top right, we have our social networking. And then we have our main menu here with a suckerfish drop down. You can also have a dual fish, which gives you two columns. And then here in the inset position, we have our power tabs, component and module. This is a slideshow created with the power tabs. You can go to the next slide here by clicking left or right on the buttons that appear when you hover. And then these are the tabs down here. You can switch the slides by the tabs. Each of these tabs can be your own custom HTML, image, or anything you want. And then over here we have a what we do best, and we have a little video link that comes up in a modal. And then we have a call to action here. This is in our banner position with two buttons that you can link to anywhere. We have them dead linked right now. This is just simply a custom HTML module. And then over here in our left 5 we have our Joomla Ecstasy contact wall, and this is putting the address, and this button here links to the contact page. And then here in user 20 we have our Joomla Ecstasy News Pro. These are 3 Joomla articles, and this is just some custom HTML styling that you can edit right inside the module or choose from many different templates that we have. And this is the intro image, the title, the intro text, and the read more. The read more also follows the Joomla language, so if you change languages, this is going to change fine. And then over here in our user 25 position, we have another custom HTML module that just has some markup about our partners. And then in user 26, 27, and 28, these are just Joomla menu modules. And down here at the bottom, we have our subscribe to the site. This is just a custom HTML module in our bottom 1 position. And then over here in our bottom 2, we have the sign up now button. And right now we have this link to the login, but you could link that to a newsletter form or anything you want. It's just custom HTML. And then in the footer area here we have our 2 logos, and we have our disclaimer and our copyright in the legals position. These are both just custom HTML modules that you can edit however you'd like. So let's take a look at some of the inner pages here. Let's look at the Joomla content page. This would be your standard blog style page. And we have a module position up here in the user 1 position that is just a call to action. Then we have our content here. These are our intro articles. Over here we've done our company again in the right position, a company blog with Deluxe News Pro in the right position, and the standard Joomla login form. So let's go ahead and look at an article. And here's our article with a little custom HTML. And then we can check out the category list. This is just standard bootstrap category list. We have our wrapper, which just loads in an external web page, and here I'm going to be loading in Joomla Ecstasy. We have a nicely styled contact page. And then the standard Joomla search. And the standard Joomla login. So let's take a look at the styles. Here's style 2. Little different color scheme. Style 3. Style 4. Mix of reds and blues. Style 5. Reds and blacks. And finally, style 6. More of a pinkish and blues. Let's go back to style 1 and let's check out the layouts. Stratawerks is built with our Joomla Ecstasy framework, where we have module positions and regions. Each level is a region, so here we've got this inset would be in region 1. So let's go ahead and move some around here. So we're going to go ahead and move the site around just by clicking this. And now we have our call to action on the top, and we have our power tabs here, and then it continues down here. Let's check out another alternative layout. Now we have the bottom up here, like this. And finally, let me show you a very simple layout. This is as simple as you can get here. So we have our slideshow, we have our call to action, and then we're done. And this gives you the ability to go ahead and prototype your site really well. You might want to go ahead and build your site and throw everything in, and then you might want to just change the regions. You can change the regions in the template manager in the back end very simply just by denoting region 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and reordering them. And that way you can go ahead and check your site out with some different looks, because it really helps when prototyping a site. We use it a lot when we go ahead and we build our site and our templates. We look at it and then we move some things around, and ultimately sometimes moving things around looks a lot better. And this is a quick way to do it without actually changing your module positions or anything. So that's the introductory tutorial, and we're going to go ahead and have another video here for you coming up that gives you the administration side of Stratawerks. We hope you found this tutorial informative, and we'll see you in the next video.